Hello viewers, in this video I'll show Grok AI high demand problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Grok, click on app info, click on permission, turn on all permission on Grok AI, go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Grok, update Grok AI app if available on Play Store or App Store. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.